Killer. Alright, running out to the shop to grab the tripod for this camera here. Getting the motor for the General Mayhem loaded up. But John is here, my normal camera guy Taylor. It's his dad. So he's here to do the windshield in General Mayhem, even though I broke it. But we got that set up. So we'll get the tripod here. And hopefully we can get this filmed for you. Well, hopefully we will. But make a pretty killer time lapse of changing the windshield on the General Mayhem. So it's gasket set. It's pretty old and nasty, so we got a new gasket for it. So we can cut the old one out and get it replaced. So, see you then. Alright, got to BSing with John. Almost forgot to do a finish up shot here. He wanted to come check out the rest of the project, so I've been talking to him for a little while, but got the windshield and General Mayhem done. It looks awesome. Nothing beats a brand new windshield in a vehicle. So, and I never knew, I always kind of wondered how these were held in across the bottom, for you, those of you that don't know. It's a regular gasket across the sides. It's got like a pinch weld that sticks out that the glass, or the mold gasket wraps around. And then they are glued across the bottom. They don't do anything except just sit there. And they had like a butyl type stuff originally, and so I guess better procedure nowadays is to urethane them down. So it is urethane across the bottom now. And being new windshield, new gasket, we didn't seal anything. If it ends up leaking, I'll have to go across some steps. I do have some urethane I can run in here. I can do it on both the glass side behind the gasket here, and then I can also do it on the outside, but I'll have to see what it does. And that is, of course, after I change my motor, since I do now have a nice shiny new windshield and I can't drive it because I got a nice rod knocking. So this will be the next, or not that I shouldn't say next video, but one of the videos coming up. Gotta pull this guy out and put another motor in. So I'm moving some motors around right now. I had one sitting out back. I'm getting that in the garage right now, and I'm gonna try to make a engine run stand for it, or just fire it up on the ground. I'm not sure yet. I want to make sure it runs, and then do the same thing I did with this one. Clean it up, make it look nice and shiny, polish the turd, and throw it in here. So you'll see that on an upcoming episode.